And welcome back to Mrs. Always Right channel. Look who is in the town. All wrapped up with a very miserable weather. So I am somewhere in Wickham. So I'm just walking around. So I've been somewhere to do certain things. So I'll be going back to work. So how's everybody doing? As you can see, the wetness everywhere is wet. And I'll take you around as I go. So how do you like my hood? And look at me in a very thick winter coat. So it's supposed to be snowing, but I've not seen any snow yet. Instead it's just a little bit of rain. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hello everybody, I'm just going to take you around Wickham town center, which I'm just going to do a little bit of shopping. So you can see there's a place they call the Snog. There's a Beef Eater London, so that's a pub. And so there's, you can see the other side town and High Street, which will lead to shopping mall. So this is where I always come frequently. So today I'm off. It's not work related trip now. I'm off and I'm coming here for my own personal shopping and nosing around. So you could see this is another place to eat and drink. So you can see it. So I will be going into that big shop called TK Maxx and see what I can, if I'll have bargain. So sometimes in this kind of weather there's always sales somewhere. So it depends on, because I've already been to Marks and Spencer, so there's a lot of things I bought as well. So there's another place they call Wetherspoon. That one is a very big and expensive restaurant and pub as well. So you got so much here in this big town. So you can see the layout of it. It's quite very wet. You can see the floor is wet today, but I just have to do this video. So I'm coming to this shop, TK Maxx. So everybody is indoors now because of this weather. It's normally very busy. So you could see the rain is nice. For me, I love to be in a very cool, not too hot. So there's a church up there. And this is historic building that the council used to do some ceremony. And there's another small restaurant there, cafe shop. Everybody's always going there as well. and this is the directions if you are coming. So you can see different directions here. So you can see where we're going. So some of this Bucks University Hospital, everywhere is being on this library around this town. So you can see this highway come. That was 2000 AD somewhere. So this is not keeping the right time. Yeah. So somebody's trying to. Some less people as well around here. So I'm just going in to this big shop they call TK Maxx. So I've just so this is the shopping mall. So there's a bank here. And also you can see from the window. So I'm just going to have a nosy around. If I see anything beautiful, I will get it because I can't stop shopping. So I would see how it goes. There's a lot of background music here which I don't always like. So I'll just let you see what is going on here. So I'm in the handbag section. So I've got so much. This is where I got all those, some of my handbags when it's on sales. So you can see right here. So it's like a lot of music is playing now in the background. So I won't be able to. So I'll get out because there will be a lot of music in the background. I don't want any. Hello, I'm now in Good Pharmacy. So I'm just having a look around to see what I can have for myself. So I might be off. So I'm just going to spoil myself a bit with shopping. So just browsing around. Just want to buy some of my creams. So I'm just coming back from Wickham. So I'm just in my area now. So taking it easy as I go. So the weather is still not good. Still raining and not good at all. So this is me coming back again. So many traffic. Road is busy. So I'm just taking a slow walk down home. I'm not bothered to get a taxi because it's not worth it. So that is how this is. I need to get out of the Kodo. So this is just an industrial area. I'm walking around. So this is the way I am. So I need to get out of. See, you can see a lot of cars. So I'm just. So you can see this is industrial estate. So you can see the outlet of it. So I'm trying to avoid puddle of water in the street. It's quite nice to have a walk in the fresh air. So I will show you where. So sometimes you see that bridge. That bridge, yes, that's where the train will pass, but it's not yet. Okay, so I'm going to show you as I go. how this area is. Thank you for watching. This is where Metropolitan train will pass through. This is rail tracks, railway line. So you see people are driving. So I'm just trying to avoid this splash water around here. So I'm just going to move a bit quickly. So I'm just getting away from. It's a bit of puddle of water here. So I'm just getting out of the way. So I'll show you. So it's just a small area where like a countryside. You can see how it is, the shrubs and everything. So I'll show you. This is people doing graffiti here. So I'll show you the side of the other road. So I'm just walking through the shortcut to where I am living. So you could see this very open space, and this is leading to the swimming pool where you have so much recreational activities there. So I'm going to show you. This is just a busy road that people use to go to the town. So there's car park there somewhere. So I'm just walking towards the swimming pool. So you can see the other side. The other side is called water side, and the other end of the road I was living there before we had moved this way. This is a different area now. So I'm just walking towards the swimming pool. So you can see that building. We got so much things around here for recreational activities. So we got tennis court, we got open plan swimming pool, which is indoors as well, and which give us a bit of fun during summer. So you could see the other side of the road, and also that's the train going up there. Then you can see the train is going. I missed it as well. So I'm just going to show you. There's a allotment there where people plant something as well. And so this is swimming pool, and that is the tennis court. So we got so much around here, and we have parking, car parking in the street. So, and then there's a very big park in front there as we're going. So we've got a very big park around there where people go for football. So you can see it's quite massive, and I can have a view as well from my house. So that is a very big park, and this is part of the tennis court as well. So we got so much things around here for fun and enjoyment when summer comes. So I will show you more during summer because everybody is indoors now. So this is a very quiet road. So it's quite nice with a lot of ponds around here and fresh air, more better than where I was before. So thank you for watching, and I'll let you know how it goes. Bye.